lucky we were to get this parking spot. We were so lucky to get this spot.
Look at all the
We got a better
smoke.
spot, Sergio.
Look at all the smoke. It looks like a huge cloud.
I know, we could have got a better spot. We got like front row seats. Right between the trees and everything, see?
Yeah.
B pulled it off again, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah!
When you laughed, you sounded like Goofy.
Like that? Goofy from the Looney Tunes?
From Mickey Mouse. The dog or whatever. That was like a perfect circle.
Yeah, that was cool. This one will be good too. Sounds like there's a circus over there or something.
It does.
Big boom.
Like a parade or something. Little Boom, actually. It's weird when they shoot up, like the sound comes a little ways afterward, because sound travels slow.
Slower than light, yeah.
Yeah. I'm smart.
You are a smart one.